How to take a picture of a mirror.
These are colors, These are colors,
How to make a table with paper and tools. A computer screen with picture of a man smoking cigarette. How to draw a woman on the side of a sign.
Alright, tips on how to make your piece more painful. For tears, don't go in with a big solid streak of white. You actually want to start with the shadow that the tear casts, and then go in with the white highlight, both with a very light hand. Here is another example. Then for tears that gather in the eye, I kind of make just big bulbous shapes of the white of the eye, and then go in with a brighter white to highlight and kind of make those brimming shapes. As for spilling tears, you want to make sure they're still following the contours of the face, where they would stop and get stuck in creases or on the edge of the jaw, and put that big bulb on the end. So here we just follow the contour of the cheek and nose, get hooked on the lip, and for a more flat plane of the face, a more straight falling tear. I personally love a little droplet clinging to the lash, and there you go.
How to draw a manga in black and white.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 from a wet side. But I'm from the east side, that's how we.
Hand holding a bunch of oranges. Two screenshots of a cell phone with a game interface.
to the side, come on, step away. You can go, yeah. We gone, it's me, no one else can make it begin. Go to the side, come on, step away. You can go, yeah. You can go, yeah. To the side, come on, no one else can make it begin. Yeah. You can go, yeah. No one else can make it begin. Yeah. To the side, come on, step away. You can go, yeah.
A piece of paper.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already am. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, 'cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off, we can be close, keep calling each other. You might think
A sign with blue drop of water on it.
TikTok doesn't like me or my art, but if this is on your For You page, can you let me know if you like this drawing I did? Also, if you really enjoyed art, consider following me and other artists that might use this sound. So have a good day.
We gon' get it, we gon' get it, we gon' get it on. We gon' get it, we gon'